A lot has been said about the importance of creative skills in the game of football. We're talking about the ability of players to manipulate and maneuver the football to the detriment of the opponents. The game is made more beautiful and more enjoyable as a spectacle when the players on show display exciting skills and trickery. And it's not just fanciness per se, but players with ball handling skills are vital to the overall effectiveness of any football team at any level. Right now, one of the biggest things in Jamaican football is the lack of a creative ball handler. And one of the first and most basic tests of the skill level of a player is his or her ability to keep up or juggle the football. Well, watch this. This is a lady on a beach in what looks like South or Central America. Watch the skills. Look at this lady juggle the football. And she's not a spring chicken. She's a big enough woman. But watch the style. Watch the style. Watch the style. No man who's a big baller cannot juggle a football like this lady. And it's not just her skills. It's also her fitness and her endurance in juggling what looks like a real football, not a beach ball. And she's doing it in a bikini, barefoot on the sands. No, some woman, if you bad one more time, watch your style, watch your juggling, watch your juggling. Hey, this is ball wizardry and ball artistry. Hey, move it. We're going to tell Topper with more about it. Topper all the way.